Let's walk through an example of how you'd use the registry action within Endpoint Management. Once you're inside the Actions section, go ahead and select Registry from the list. You'll now see a configuration pane where you're asked to fill out several important fields. Let's now walk through one of the 3 core registry actions available in Endpoint Management. Modify. The Registry tool allows you to add, modify, or delete registry keys and values remotely on your Windows devices. This is especially useful when you want to enforce specific system configurations, security settings, or application behavior at scale. Here, you'll be prompted to choose the type of action. For this example, we'll choose Modify, which is used when you want to change the value of an existing registry key either to update a configuration or fix a misconfigured setting. Start by selecting the registry hive. In this case, let's go with HKEY_classes_root. This hive stores information about file types, file name extensions, and how applications are launched. It's especially relevant when you're managing default app behavior or shell commands. Next, choose the registry type. Since we're modifying, we'll leave it set to key. Now, we come to the registry key field. This is where you'll enter the path to the key that contains the value you want to modify. Let's say we want to change how a custom application launches by default. You might enter something like your custom app /shell/open/ command. This tells the system exactly where the value resides under the HKEY_classes_root hive. Finally, the registry key name field is where you specify which value you want to change. For example, let's assume the key currently launches the app with limited logging, but you want to enable full logging instead. You might put Enable Logging, and then set the new value you want it to hold. These fields, the key path and key name, are crucial. In this case, if both fields are left empty, the system doesn't know what to modify. That's why it's important to fill them in accurately, especially when making changes at scale. Once you've configured the change, you can select the devices you want this applied to, set a schedule for execution, and push the modification live. This kind of control allows you to dynamically manage endpoint configurations without manual intervention or scripting from your side. It's fast, reliable, and scalable. Don't forget to check out other walkthroughs to see how this fits into the bigger picture of endpoint management.